video.
We're back again with another video. This is for Torchy's tacos. This is our first time trying it out. We got some burritos.
Let's see how it goes. The first time.
That's some double dipping.
It's only us eating it. This is the queso. Oh, this is supposed to. Oh, there's some cheese in there.
For the bear.
Get the greens.
Here, bear. You want some?
This thing is huge. This bad boy massive. Look how massive this thing is.
Chicken. What? Got some chicken.
Mommy, you love chicken. I want it. I want it.
I heard meat.
Not a lot of meat.
I like the nacho chicken.
What's the sauces? Let's try the sauces. Let me try the white one. Ranch.
I want some of the queso for my dipping sauce. Good cheese fries. Mama,
Yes?
do you want to try cheese fry?
No, thank you. Thank you, though, Brooke.
No.
These are good. Bye,
Thanks for
y'all.
watching, guys.